awesome travel hacks. You must know, travel becomes far more enjoyable when small techniques turn complicated moments into easy ones, and the most effective hacks are often the ones travelers rarely hear about. Modern trips involve changing airports, shifting weather, unpredictable delays, and digital tools that evolve every year. Yet simple preparation brings a sense of calm to the entire journey. One fascinating shift is how travelers now rely more on strategic packing, smarter planning, and tech shortcuts that quietly remove stress. These hacks help transform long days into smoother experiences where energy can be spent on exploring rather than problem-solving. This guide highlights the hacks that consistently make trips easier in real-world situations. Use packing cubes to build a travel system. Packing cubes create a simple interior system inside luggage that keeps clothing organized and prevents the usual travel chaos from building up. They allow items to be separated by category or day, making it easy to find anything without unpacking an entire suitcase. Many travelers assume packing cubes add bulk, yet the structured layout actually compresses clothing and creates more usable space. The suitcase opens cleanly, revealing an orderly setup that turns packing and repacking into an effortless task. This small hack removes the frantic feeling of digging through scattered items in hotel rooms or during airport checks. The organization they create brings a sense of calm to the entire travel routine. Place a bright identifier on luggage. Adding a bold marker to luggage, such as a colorful ribbon, patch, or tag, makes baggage claim far easier, allowing bags to be spotted instantly among a sea of similar designs. Many travelers underestimate how crowded carousels become, especially during busy seasons when identical suitcases pile up. A simple visual cue eliminates confusion and stress, especially at airports where bags move quickly and travelers gather closely together. This small addition also reduces the chances of someone mistakenly taking the wrong bag. Spotting luggage from a distance creates a smooth transition from plane to exit. Such an easy hack brings surprising convenience on every trip. Roll clothes instead of folding. Rolling clothes instead of folding them creates more space while keeping fabric smoother and reducing the chances of deep creases. The rolled method fits neatly inside packing cubes or small compartments, making it easier to maximize every corner of the suitcase. Many travelers assume rolling takes extra time, yet the process becomes quick and natural with practice. Clothing stays compact and neatly arranged, which makes packing and unpacking far more efficient. Opening the suitcase reveals a clean layout that stays intact even through long travel days. This simple technique elevates packing from a chore to a streamlined process. Download maps and entertainment before leaving. Downloading essential maps, playlists, movies, and reading materials beforehand transforms long flights and unpredictable travel days into manageable stretches of quiet activity. Offline content removes the worry of weak connections, especially in remote regions or congested airports where networks slow down. Many travelers rely on live data, but having offline backups ensures navigation and entertainment stay available at all times. This preparation offers peace of mind and keeps the trip flowing smoothly. It also helps preserve battery life because devices do not struggle to load content on unstable networks. Offline files can turn waiting times into relaxed, productive moments. Use a reusable water bottle for all-day hydration. Carrying a reusable water bottle makes staying hydrated much easier, especially in warm climates or during long sightseeing days. Many airports now provide refill stations, and having a bottle ready eliminates the need for continuous purchases. Some travelers think a bottle adds extra weight, yet the convenience and savings outweigh the small space it occupies. Hydration becomes consistent throughout the journey, helping maintain energy and overall comfort. This small habit makes long travel days noticeably easier. A dependable water bottle becomes a steady companion across the entire trip. Keep a small essentials pouch in the carry-on. A compact pouch filled with travel basics, such as lip balm, hand wipes, headphones, a charger, and small comfort items, keeps everything necessary within reach during flights and layovers. Many travelers store these items loosely, which leads to unnecessary searching and momentary frustration. A small, organized pouch turns these situations into smooth, simple routines. The quick access helps maintain comfort during long journeys without rummaging through larger bags. This hack brings structure to moments that often feel chaotic. It also ensures important items never drift to the bottom of the carry-on. Use multi-use clothing to travel. Lighter multi-use clothing, such as jackets with hidden pockets or lightweight pieces that work across different settings, helps reduce overall luggage weight. Versatile items simplify outfits and minimize the need for extra accessories or bulky layers. Many travelers overpack because they plan for every possible scenario, but flexible clothing covers most situations with ease. This approach leaves more space for souvenirs or makes the suitcase easier to manage during long travel sequences. Lighter luggage always leads to a more comfortable trip. Multi-use garments simplify choices and streamline each day on the road. Take photos of important documents. Capturing clear photos of essential travel documents creates a secure, digital backup in situations where quick reference becomes necessary. Many travelers rely solely on physical copies, unaware that a misplaced document or unexpected delay can cause unnecessary stress. Having images stored in the phone makes verification faster and helps during check-ins or hotel arrivals. This simple digital copy provides reassurance throughout the trip without adding any physical weight. A few seconds of preparation can resolve unexpected challenges. The ease of access transforms stressful moments into manageable ones. Use portable organizers for tech gear. Portable organizers designed for tech accessories keep chargers, adapters, earbuds, and cables untangled and easy to locate. Without an organizer, cords often spill into random corners of the bag, making them difficult to retrieve during critical moments like boarding or hotel check-ins. Keeping everything together turns tech management into an orderly process rather than a scramble. These organizers remain compact while accommodating multiple items, making them ideal for fast-paced travel. They also prevent unnecessary purchases when small items appear missing but are simply buried. Carry a lightweight foldable bag. A lightweight foldable bag packs down small enough to fit in a pocket or pouch, yet unfolds into a spacious carrier for souvenirs, snacks, or unexpected items collected during the trip. Travelers often encounter situations where bags feel overloaded or extra space is suddenly needed. This small solution prevents last-minute stress and offers flexibility during shopping or day trips. The foldable design keeps it unobtrusive until needed, making it one of the most practical extras to include. Its convenience becomes clear the moment an extra hand is needed. This hack brings adaptability to changing travel plans. Travel becomes smoother and more enjoyable when simple, thoughtful hacks eliminate stress and bring clarity to each step of the journey. These techniques enhance organization, comfort, efficiency, and overall ease, making both short and long trips feel more effortless. To continue discovering helpful travel insights and practical guides, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share which hack you plan to use on your next adventure. More essential tips and smart travel strategies are on the way in the next guide.